How to check if your device is Play Protect certified. In this video, I will show you how to check if your Android device is Play Protect certified. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, so let's jump straight into it. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Once it's open, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, tap Settings. Then tap About to open the Play Store information. Now, look for the section labeled Play Protect Certification. Here, you should see whether your device is Play Protect certified or not. If it says Device is certified, your device has passed Google's compatibility checks. If it says Device is not certified, some Google apps or features may not work correctly. So that is how to check if your device is Play Protect certified. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. If it did, please consider leaving a like, subscribing to the channel, and sharing this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.